Today, we're going to make a beautiful blue and red elastic beaded bracelet that is strong and durable, just like this one. Let's get started. We're going to use these beautiful blue beads and these bright red beads to make this bracelet. We have this elastic string, one metal bead, and a few bead spacers. Now, let's arrange the beads in the pattern you want. Take your time with the arrangement and try different combinations until you find a design you really like. You can experiment with the colors, the order of the beads, and the spacers to create your own unique look. Once you're happy with the arrangement, you can start threading the beads onto the elastic string. Next, cut the elastic string and take a small piece of wire and bend it in the middle to create a simple needle. This will make it easier to thread the beads onto the elastic string. Now pass the needle through the elastic string, just like this. Make sure the elastic sits securely inside the loop of the needle. Now, take a crimp bead and pass the other open end of the elastic string through it. Press the crimp bead firmly with a plier so that the beads don't slip off while you're threading them. You can see both ends of the elastic string. Now it's time to start beading. Take the beads and bead spacers and thread them onto the elastic string one by one, following the design you arranged earlier. Now cut the crimp bead off. Take one open end of the elastic and pass it through the loop at the other end. Now, gently pull the elastic from one end to close the gap on the other end and bring all the beads closer together. Tie 2 single knots tightly to secure the bracelet. Twist the elastic 5 times to make another single knot. Then tie one more single knot tightly. This is the trick to keep your bracelet securely tied. Now, cut off the excess elastic and tuck the ends inside the beads to hide the knots and give the bracelet a neat finish. And your beautiful bracelet is ready. It's simple, stylish, and strong enough for everyday wear. You can wear it yourself or gift it to someone special. I hope you enjoyed making this bracelet with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful handmade creations.